In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to attach Trello cards to other cards, step by step. This is a super useful feature if you're managing projects, linking related tasks, or connecting dependencies inside your board. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly link cards together so everything stays organized and easy to navigate. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Trello tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Trello, you'll land on your main workspace, where you can see all of your boards. From here, click on Boards to view the list of boards available in your account. Next, choose the board where your cards are located. Go ahead and click on your board to open it. This will display all your lists and the cards inside those lists. Now, find the card that you want to attach to another card. This is the main card where the attachment will appear. Click on that card to open its detailed view. When the card opens, you'll see all of its information, including the description, activity, due dates, and the options panel on the right-hand side. On the right side of the card window, look for the Add button. Click on Add to reveal more options you can include in this card. From the list of options that appears, click on Attachment. This allows you to attach files, links, and even other Trello cards. After clicking Attachment, you'll see a search field. In this field, type the name of the card that you want to attach. Make sure you type the name correctly so Trello can find it quickly. As you type, Trello will automatically show matching cards from your boards. Once you see the card you want in the search results, click on that card. This will attach it directly to the card you originally opened. After selecting the card, scroll down within the card details and click on Attachments to confirm that the linked card now appears there. You'll see it listed as an attached Trello card, and you can click at any time to jump directly to it. This makes it incredibly easy to move between related tasks without searching through your board again. And that's it. You've successfully attached one Trello card to another. This is perfect for connecting related tasks, linking subtasks to main tasks, or referencing work that depends on something else being completed first. Using attachments strategically can seriously improve how you manage workflows in Trello, especially if you're handling multiple projects or collaborating with a team. It keeps everything connected and reduces confusion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.